combining like terms. So if we have 2x plus 3x, then that's equal to 5x. Let's think about why that might be. Well, basically what's happening here is that x is sort of the thing that they have in common, right? It's called the common factor. So technically we could factor it out, and then we would get 2 plus 3, so that would equal 5, so we get 5x. But that's not so important. What's important here is to realize that we have terms and factors, right? So basically any part of an addition problem is known as a term, right? So if I have 2 plus 3, that's two terms. I have 2 and I have 3. Now if I had 3 times 5, these are factors because they're multiplied together. So in this initial problem I set up, 2x plus 3x, I have, two terms, right? But within those two terms, there's two factors each, right? So again, math is a language, so it's important to understand what the words mean so that we can communicate. So next I'll define what a tail is. So what I mean by tail is that if two terms have the same ending, that's going to be called a tail, right? So in this case, 2x plus 3x have the same tail, and that tail is x. So the procedure then is to combine what we call the coefficients, right? Coefficients. Combine those together to get 5, and then we rewrite the same thing at the end, which is again called the tail, right? So it's a pretty simple procedure. So next we're going to be looking at another example which is a little bit similar. So if we have 2abc plus 5abc, the answer here is going to be 7abc. So again, the tail is abc, and the coefficients are 2 and 5. So really all we had to do was add those two numbers together and then rewrite the same tail that we had before.